Hello Vivekians, welcome to your next day of school from home. Hope you all are staying safe and healthy at your home. I am Parul, your mathematics teacher. So students, we have started our next chapter, multiplication. So in previous video, we have done importance of multiplication and revising tables. Hope you all have revised the tables and written in your notebook. So today we are going to start our next topic.
Our next topic is forming tables beyond 10. Let's read the discuss section. Anya ate a pack of popcorn worth rupees 12 every day on her holiday. How much did she spend in 6 days? So they are saying that every day Anya ate a pack of popcorn which is cost rupees 12. So how much did she spend in 6 days? So in this also you will multiply rupees 12 multiply by 6. So with the help of multiplication you can find the total cost. We can solve such problems easily using multiplication. Our next topic is multiplication on number lines. We have already learned to form tables by adding a number repeatedly on a number line. Let's revise with the help of the examples given below. Now here we will form a table by using number line. Let's do the first example. First of all, you will draw a number line and you will write the numbers from 0 to 12. You will start with 0. So 0 plus 2 is 2. Then we'll again add 2, 4. Then 4 plus 2 is 6. Then 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. And 10 plus 2 is 12. Same way we can do it for the table of 4. You will write, first of all you will draw number line. Then you will write the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So you will start with 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. Then 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. And 16 plus 4 is 20. So you can form the tables with the help of number line also. So let us do question number 1 of your exercise. Let's try 1. So your question number 1 is extend the table of 12 using given number line. Now this number line is given to you. So you have to form the table of 12. First they have told you that 0 plus 12 is 12. Then 12 plus 12 is 24. Then 24 plus 12 is 36. Then 36 plus 12 is, now you have to add here 36 plus 12. So 36 plus 12 is 48. Then again 48 plus 12 is 60. Then 60 plus 12 is 72. Then 72 plus 12 is 84. So in this way you can extend the table of 12 by using number line. Now you will try question number 2 and 3 yourself. Now our next topic is combining tables. Do you know the meaning of combining? Combining means to merge or to join. दो tables को मिलाना. That is combining. So let's start. Given below is a strategy to form tables for bigger number. Now combining tables एक strategy है जिसे हम क्या बनाएंगे, एक bigger number का table. Here 2 or more tables are added to form the multiplication table. Now 2 or more than 2 tables add होकर क्या बनाते हैं, to form a multiplication table. So let's take example number 1. First you will write table of 2 and then you will add table of 10. Then 2 plus 10 is table of 12. So let's do it. First of all, you will write the table of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Then you will write the table of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. And then you will add. Then 10 plus 2 is 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. 20 plus 4 is 24. 30 plus 6 is 36. 40 plus 8 is 48. 50 plus 10 is 60. 60 plus 12 is 72. 70 plus 14 is 84. 80 plus 16 is 96. 90 plus 18 is 108 and 100 plus 20 is 120. So you will add all these numbers and you will get the table of 12. Same way we'll do example number 2. Can you check the result for table of 20? Now they are making a table of 20 with the help of table of 5 and table of 15. So let's do it. Now here, first of all, you will write the table of 5. So let's do it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. Then you will write the table of 15. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135 and 150. And then now you will add table of 5 plus table of 15 is table of 20. So let's start adding. 15 plus 5 is 20. Then 10 plus 30 is 40. Then 15 plus 45 is 60. 20 plus 60 is 80. Then 75 plus 25 is 100. Then 30 plus 90 is 120. Then 35 plus 105 is 140. Then 40 plus 120 is 160. Then 45 plus 130 is 180. And 50 plus 150 is 200. So this is your table of 20. So you will try next example and exercise. Let's try to yourself. This is your homework. So this is all about today. Take care. Bye bye.